LP man spark 7.6 stick like birthmark right in your heart.
Alright then. Tell them bring the war.
None of them are bad like Team
Tyson.
T97 man la fight and G-man no place come down. Tell them bring the war come. Poppy Sixx and Finch will take your life son. Rival El Bella Road and 1800. Keep a hands on well put up on the ground. Sixx done one king. Third them Jerry and Mobs of a clip ben. When I walk on the green so you must dead. Poppy told them about murder. Plus the chicken so she could have link with a soldier.
Boom, bang, bang! What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're here with another reaction for you guys. Now wait, pause. Good morning. What's good? We're here with Rebel 6 in the people. World War 3. The mess of the reaction boss is in full effect. Just arise as usual. First video of the day. You know, we're chopping now. We're going to Rico. I like a bad reaction right now to World War 3. You did me and say the official video. We did the order like 3 weeks ago. Damn. But anyways, let's get straight to this video, guys. You know what I mean? Rest up, brother. Rest up, brother. We don't adjust the matter already in a previous video. You can compare it if you don't want. But we do what people we can do what? Well, like, comments are all the same, Jano. People, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Comment on this video to see your comment to the next video that I post. And if you're new, we post every single day. Numerous times for the day. So you might want to subscribe and touch the bell and know when I post a video. Because I'm not telling nobody unless you follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. If you follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs, you all know what I'm going to post before I post it. So Instagram at Tyrekevlogs for the most content on Instagram and the most share on YouTube right now. Alright, tune.
Initiating satellite scan.
Spain town. Barbados. Then Ghana, Barbados.
See ya,
yeah, you know, remember this now?
When J City march out.
Watch it.
J City got his
Vlog.
crime and out to the rifle and squeeze up.
Hold on, you're back. I'm gonna remake my first time reacting to World War 3, the audio. Watch us there. Right, let me say that song. In a reaction, watch us there.
She see the Draco, head a shake like a screw fall out the window, dog. The car dark man that, rush an AKLP man spark 7.6 stick like birthmark right in your heart.
Alright then. Tell them bring the war.
None of them are bad like Team
Tyson.
T97 man la fight and G-man no place come down. Tell them bring the war come. Poppy Sixx and Finch will take your life son. Rival El Bella Road and 1800. Keep a hands on well put up on the ground. Sixx done one king. Third them Jerry and Mobs of a clip ben. When I walk on the green so you must dead. Poppy told them about murder. Plus the chicken so she could have link with a soldier. Walk over the body, 10 shot bow. Devil like a pussy, bent up. Get a scream but spill like penta. Paint up the scheme like we do in election.
Alright, make a react to the video now. Right, tune. I want them to be Barbados people.
Initiating satellite scan.
Alright. Like them might enjoy themselves in the video. We're going to say they enjoy themselves in the video. See. You know, smile, but you know, them man not smile.
See ya, baby. When J City march out.
Evil eyes with him. Watch it.
J City got his crime and out to the rifle and squeeze up. When they look through the window, she see the Draco, head a shake like a screw fall out
the window.
The car dark man that,
yeah.
AKLP man spark.
Be a man, I don't mind them the fat pump.
Right in your heart.
Cha. Alright then. Bring the war up.
None of them are bad like Team Tyson.
Yeah.
T97 man la fight and
yeah.
Man Mobs no place come
done.
Tell them bring the war up. Wow. Take your life son.
Go for hey.
Road and 1800. Keep a hands on well.
We see one pump while ago.
Done one king. Third them Jerry and Mobs of a clip ben.
Go.
When I walk on the green so you must dead.
Hold on, boss. It's right now if you watch the boss video. Hey, don't let the video. Like the bomb come video right now. Tear up the like button. Run tune. No, if you come with the fire emoji them first. I'm not telling you that if you wake up out of the bed morning time with the fire emoji them and like, but I think I'm never gonna tell them that though. If you go wake up out of the bed morning time with the fire emojis them, Drop them. And the like button, tap the like button. No run through it again.
The person check a sense so she coulda link with the soldier. Walk over the body, 10 shot, boom. Devil like a pussy, bent up. Get a scream but spill like penta. Paint up the scheme like we do in election.
Yeah.
And the sex. We not fire no little girl kicks.
Yeah, oh yeah, but things are walk on. But I want to realize with that video, people. So far, I don't know if it's gonna change. So far, I have not seen one gun in the video. So far. Run tune.
Deal with it. Head left like sunroof with the breeze on it.
Yeah.
Watch your pussy will bleed. Run up on the 6 dark up, I guaranteed. Me evil side is like scrapey free. Barbados got killers for the ATV. Go hands up, power master me G. Fats and I don't know about we. Sixx.
That's why I want to join you. That's all I care now.
When you look through the window, she see the Draco. Head a shake like a screw fall out the window. Dog. The car dark man got. Russian AKLP man spark. 7.6 stick like birthmark. Right in the heart. Tell them.
Hey.
Tell them bring the war come. None of them no bad like Team Tyson. T97 G-man no fight on. G-man mobs low place.
Now what God?
Tell them bring the war come.
Well, I ain't but see them too.
Rifle Bella Road and 1800. Keep a hands on well put up on it.
Wrong.
Bump them got the schemers.
Yeah.
Burn out the shoes them dog the Nikes the V-back. On the vehicles know what I mean to. Fire, fire, fire. Strong place burn down with explosive shots. Zadi tell road up hype on the top. Every enemy stop dog I put them gone. Big up this like a pussy running zigzag. End up in the river 9 buying set brain cell. Climb in a lever. Me and vein bus crops eat you for dinner. Me no warring song that energy. Quadruple murder watch the cemetery.
Yeah.
Watch a life live your sky movie.
Yeah.
Too loony. Crazy motherfuckers man grow up. Course we no bust it enough foot for your toe big. I close down so I left this game. We name 6 but we come for your 3. Dead.
Yeah.
G-City got the scheme up. Climb on out to the rifle and squeeze up. Granny look through the window, she see the Draco. Head a shake like a screw fall out the window. The car dark man dark. Russian AKLP man spark.
Yeah, you. Oh, God, man, I will come up.
Right
Come here, bicycle.
Tell them.
Hey, yeah.
They
know the man.
St. Paul LP, Crescent, Bantam, BR, Mine and any other way around?
Tell them bring me welcome. In Tyson.
Really dead.
I won't say no, watch it to the end.
See ya.
Ever serious. Them know that. What's up, brother? What? Big up to Star Point. Star Point Records. You know the chop. The video done! You know some more I want here. Me have a second more want here. Watch your style. And now watch your style, yeah? No, watch your style, yeah? Not really watch your style, yeah? I eat this. Bomb buckler. You to keep with the ad. But I make a sing, I'm right there running. I want to sing, you know. Red tune.
Sixx. Real way.
Red tune.
Low realness. Slow up.
Kudu boom boom.
Yeah, it's a top. No straight top, you know. Head
Go,
top.
go.
Tell me real dogs them, man. Me no dog with no collar, no. My
Yeah.
dogs them, I'm a
Yes,
charge.
man. Hey.
Anyway, me
Step my charge, go step, call me charge, step it with a AR.
Big long block in my pocket, come and not take trick, come my dogs, them not take talk. Anyway, me step my dogs, them going step, come my dogs, them step me with them AR. 45 block in my pocket, fear break them neck, come my dogs, them not take talk. Man with a street code, we no fear police, judge you know me no fear them cops. Never seen a 5-hole baby, I make mad.
Don't big up on yourself and it's been a boy tight reaction. Boss! Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for new. I try to make that video as fun as possible for you. They may I say, if them know so I'm going to drop RIP them in the comment section and thing. But big up on yourself. Then, when you say drop before I mess it up, but I'm telling you, the first thing tomorrow, I'm going to get your reaction. Big up on yourself. Run up. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on the video. Below the like button. Tap the like button. I'm out.